This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. Are you a little bit geeky like me? For instance, today I discovered that you can now download the Mars Explorers Wanted posters from the mars.nasa.gov website. I had first seen these posters hanging in the Kennedy Space Center headquarters building and took pictures of them a couple of years ago. Now I've downloaded all of the files of the entire set. The 8-poster set features the kinds of people that exploring Mars will require, such as explorers, farmers, surveyors, teachers, and more. NASA originally commissioned these posters for the Journey to Mars exhibit at the Kennedy Space Center Visitors Center in 2009. And now they're available to everyone online at mars.nasa.gov/multimedia/resources/Mars-posters-explorers-wanted. Here's Phil Hahn at CNBC to talk a little bit more about the set.
If you're looking for a job, NASA needs you. The American Space Agency has just released a series of recruitment posters for jobs on Mars. The retro-inspired ads were first commissioned back in 2009 as part of an exhibit at the Kennedy Space Center. But now NASA is re-releasing them in the hopes of drumming up excitement for its mission to Mars. While the posters aren't advertising any specific jobs for now, there are roles like working the night shift on Mars's moon, looking for farmers, and even teachers. Last year, NASA released its Journey to Mars program, detailing the next steps to setting foot on the Martian surface. Unfortunately, if you are looking for a job, NASA doesn't plan on having a colony on Mars until at least 2030.
The coolest thing about these posters is that you can have them printed for non-commercial use. So choose the ones that speak the most to you and have fun printing to your heart's content. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for listening from your home or where you work. Listen each Tuesday for This Week in Space with John Gomez. And join me every Friday for America in Space. From the Florida Space Coast, I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor for About Space Today.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.